Hey there, in this video, we'll explore CloudFormation outputs. Outputs allow you to extract valuable information from your stacks, making it easy to access and use the outputs in other AWS services or applications. Let's dive in. CloudFormation outputs allow you to expose specific values from your stacks. These values could be, for example, the endpoint URL of an API gateway, the public IP address of an EC2 instance, or any other useful data you want to retrieve from stack creation. To define outputs, you'll need the outputs section in your CloudFormation template. Each output has a logical name and the value you want to expose. Once you define the outputs, you can reference them in other parts of your template. Export them to other AWS services or retrieve them using the AWS CLI or SDKs. After the stack is created successfully or updated, you can use the AWS Management Console's CLI or SDK to access the outputs. CloudFormation outputs are incredibly useful when interacting with other AWS services. For instance, you can use API Gateway Endpoint URL in an AWS Lambda function or an S3 bucket name in an Amazon CloudFront distribution. If you need to handle sensitive information in your outputs such as passwords or API keys, consider using AWS System Manager Parameter Store or an AWS Secrets Manager. These services allow you to securely store and manage sensitive data. Congrats! You have learned about CloudFormation outputs and how they enable you to extract valuable information from your stacks. By defining outputs, you can easily access important data and seamlessly integrate your CloudFormation created resources with other AWS services.